Hi guys, we'll talk today about the water dissociation constant and the pH scale. pH scale is a very useful measurement which affects us all the days because it's about acid and bases. All of us have an insight about what is the pH scale, but where does it come from? So it comes from the water dissociation constant. Okay, what is water dissociation constant? Whenever we have water, it can be dissociated into protons and hydroxides. Water, protons, and hydroxides. And when we do the equilibrium constant of this chemical reaction, we will get that is the multiplication of the concentration of protons by the concentration of hydroxides. This will be the Kw. The Kw changes with the temperature. Here we have the pKw with increasing the temperature in Celsius degrees. pKw, what is? The minus log in base 10 of the Kw. Okay? So whenever we see this, we'll get that it changes. Actually, the Kw loss diminish its value whenever the temperature is increasing, because take a look at this, it's a logarithm scale, and whenever we take a look to the environment temperature, we will see that the pKw is 14, or the Kw minus 14, or 1 multiplied by 10 to the minus 14 will be the Kw. So 14 to the pKw, but we are interested in the Kw. From the first chemical equation that we saw, we can deduct the pH scale. The pH scale will be deducted in this way. So we have the Kw multiplication of the concentration of protons by the multiplication of the concentration of hydroxides. Then we isolate the term of the concentration of protons. We have this ratio, and whenever we replace this term and get the minus log in base 10 of all the terms that we have here, we will get this proportion, that is equal to 14 is equal to the pOH plus the pH. This we will deduct the pH. The pH scale is a very useful scale that explains us how acid or how basic is a compound. So here we have from 0 to 7 we will have acids. If the numbers is more little, we will have that is more acidic, the compound is more acidic. And when the number increases, we will have that the compound tends to be basic. And we have different compounds